Professor Adeolu Sanyolu, who is taking you on your network infrastructure COMP10019. I believe by now, seeing this video, you guys have completed your module 2 midterm test, and everything I believe goes good. I've been marking them, going through it and stuff like that. But I've not finished it all. But I should be done with them soon. So I'm here because by now you guys have to be ready to take your module 3, which is the lovely part, of this course. In this module 3, you guys must have grouped yourself in different groups. You join group. If you don't join any group, I will put you in a group, and I advise that you join it. Like I said in my previous touch point, that you guys should join those groups, because you'll be working in a group of 5. So by now, one of the first things you will have to do regarding this network design project is you have to write your letter of intent to respond for a RFP submission. So you have to write that, you have to submit it to me, I have to go through it and stuff like that. Then after that, you need to basically create a high-level design document. And then when you create that document, the document typically is going to contain your proposal regarding how you pick your cable choice, your choice of cable that you're going to use for this organization, company, or whatever you have. And then you're going to also make sure you cover the type of hardware you pick. I will not force you to pick a particular hardware, but you have to pick the hardware that is going to work. It could be any hardware. If switches are required, router are required, whatever cable plant or whatever that you're going to need to make everything work. And then you have to include the total cost of the project. And while you create this proposal, it might just be a draft, okay, or it could be a final, depending on what you want to do. So this draft will now encompass what you now use to this document. It's what you're going to use to create your network proposal presentation that you're going to present, okay? And you're going to present in terms of a call to the organization. You're going to make the call, you're going to make the video about 5 minutes. It could be longer, it could be shorter. I'm not going to penalize you, but it has to cover what needs to be covered, so that I'll be able to go through it, understand your proposal, understand your document, and stuff like that. Okay? And when you do that and you submit it, remember, it is group work. You guys have to work together. You need to pick who is good for presentation. Don't choose somebody that doesn't like to present. So you guys work within yourself. And since it's a project, you guys can share the task. You guys can investigate hardware. You guys can investigate cabling. You can go and investigate. You share it among yourself, and you guys come together and create that, and then submit it. Okay? And after you guys have submitted it, I'm going to review it. Do the markings, and after all those is done, then you guys have to do a peer review. You have to do that. That's the last portion of it. When you do the peer review, it's going to guide me to understand whether you guys have problem doing the project, so that I'll be able to know who I need to apportion some marks to and stuff like that. But it's not basically to witch hunt or to whatever. It's just to let me understand the dynamics inside the group. And don't forget to use the discussion forum in your project, in your own groups. Okay, there's a discussion there. Don't use an external one like this or whatever. No, use the discussion. Use all the resources that is within that group. Okay, and by then I'll be after all the submission, I'll be marking it, and then I will be getting towards the end of the course. Okay, thanks very much. And here is Professor Adeolu again, your professor for network infrastructure, COMP0 COMP10019. Have a nice day.